Hey everyone, Patrick Spielman, founder at Uptics here. And in this video, I want to go through a new feature we just launched in the Uptics platform for automatic name corrections. Basically, what this feature is going to do is it's going to help fix any capitalization issues with first name, last names when new contact records come into the system. It's also going to, if you choose, will remove any emojis or any special characters. And it can also remove, based on your settings and what you input into it, any sort of like prefixes or suffixes or any sort of words that are in a first and last name. So it really just helps keep your data clean. And if you have automated messages and stuff going out, it's going to help keep that level of professionalism out there. And if you're trying to incorporate a more personal touch into your outreach and you are using automation, then it's going to look more personal, because the person's going to, if they entered their name into a form on your website and they didn't capitalize their first name, it's going to capitalize it. So it's going to look like they actually did a little work. So neat little feature. Let me just show you real quick demo on it and then the quick settings. This shouldn't be a long video here. So I'm on the contact page here in Uptics. If I add a new person, I'm just going to show you, test, and then I'll do all caps contact. So essentially what this should do is it will lowercase these and it'll uppercase the first letter. And for this, it'll only leave the first letter uppercase. So I'll just save this here. It'll run. I don't have last name here. I didn't want to expose any of our contact leads and stuff like that. But essentially, you can see here that the name got updated and the punctuation is correct. So again, as I mentioned, there's a few different ways this can work. Either when you're manually adding, if you upload contacts, and through our Zapier integration. So anytime a record comes into the system, this is going to work. Let me just show you the settings. They're really simple. I'll just pop this out quick. So you've got two toggles. The first toggle is to correct the uppercase capitalization issues that might be present, and to remove any special characters. So if somebody puts an exclamation point, a hashtag, quotes or something like that, it's actually going to remove those as well from the name. You can also toggle on the remove emojis from names. So oftentimes, especially with like LinkedIn and stuff, which we'll be releasing a new product here soon to save LinkedIn records and leads into the Uptics platform. This will be especially useful for that use case when people are putting emojis or they are putting prefixes and suffixes into their name. So, but this setting is for emojis. You just got to toggle it on. And then the third part, is the text removal. So here's a few examples that I've got. Let's just say somebody's putting the word ninja. Like if I said, if I entered my name into one of your maybe inbound lead nurturing campaigns, if you've got paid marketing going on, and I enter my name as Patrick Ninja Spielman, right? The system will actually remove that word ninja out of the name. Or maybe you're prospecting lawyers and they put the esque terminology in their name signifying they're a lawyer, then you could have that removed. Likewise, if somebody puts Dr. Patrick or Dr. Dan or something like that, whatever you want, all you got to do is just type in here. You can just type here and that will get removed, and you can add as many as you want in here. Those will get removed from any names moving forward. All right, so that's the new name correction automation feature in Uptics. If you have any questions or you have any ideas or suggestions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. And of course, we'd love for you to check out Uptics, our sales automation platform that I showed you in this video today that'll help you win customers faster. All right, we'll see you on the next one.